Hello, what's up you guys? It's Justin here from UpNorth Motorsports bringing you another YouTube video. Okay, for the past 2 weeks it's been like minus 40 with the wind chill, so about minus 30s, some mid minus 30s, just without the wind chill. So it has been cold and my battery actually hasn't been able to keep up. Honestly, the battery hasn't been changed. This truck's already 6 years old, so I bought a new one, the Optima yellow top battery. So I'll be taking out the old one and installing the new one. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see there's the old battery with the plastic cover and stuff like that. So first thing we want to do is take off the negative post there and then pop open that cover and I can take off the positive. It's so cold, I'm wearing gloves here. Let's see if I can pop that open without breaking it. So this piece is very fragile, so you don't want to break it. As you can see, I already broke part of it off. Okay, and then you want to take off those two 13 mil bolt or nuts there, and then you should be able to take off this plastic part. I'll show you a little trick to getting that plastic part off. And so this clips onto the battery kind of thing, so you just want to take that off. Could try prying on it. We'll try this little trick here. There we go, makes that part nice and easy. Okay, let's move that out of the way. And then you just got this holder thing. Take that off there. Okay, so I'm just using that screwdriver just to hold that out of place there. And then as you can see on that bolt, and you just want to take out that nut right there, loosen it up so you can get that out, and then you should be able to take out the battery. Okay, here it is, the Optima battery. When we're cranking, it has a little bit more amps. More suited for if you're adding accessories like extra fog lights and stuff like that, a winch, which hopefully someday. Somebody's gonna install it now. Especially when these cold winters, the extra cranking power helps start the engine when it's really cold, so let's get it installed. Okay, so once you got it in place, just reverse the procedure of taking out the old battery and put it back in. Okay, so there we go, new batteries installed. Fits in pretty good. As I mentioned before, that plastic cover is broken off. You can probably buy a new one somewhere. Okay, I'll start her up. everything's starting. It's like night and day. Obviously I gotta reset the clock now, but it starts pretty easily now. Alrighty, so there we go. So in this cold weather, it's like a night and day difference between the old battery versus this Optima battery. So yeah, if you guys did like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Also leave some comments. Love hearing what you guys have to say and stuff like that. Any tips, tricks, or any mods that you'd like to see, definitely drop a comment. Alrighty, have a happy new year and have a good day. Bye.